everybody, Lisa here, your national educator for Matis, South Africa. And today's tutorial is all about our brand new super serum called the Serum from Matis Caviar Range.
Sensorially, this oil is pleasant with a light texture and dry touch finish that is soft, silky and satin-like. So why caviar? Caviar has antioxidant properties, is moisturizing and hydrating, and protects the barrier functioning, leaving the skin radiant and youthful. Caviar also improves natural skin functioning, resulting in impressive firming and rejuvenation of the face.